From starting out as the literary arts head to now overseeing six major departments as the VCP1, what has been the most rewarding part of your journey?
I think the most rewarding part of this journey always has to be the people of Umang and the people that I've found in Umang, the family that I created in Umang, and I think that's the best part of this journey.
All right, now let's get to the rapid fire. Which HOD is most likely to answer your text in 2 seconds and who disappears into thin air?
I think it's a very obvious answer. The HOD that's going to reply me in 2 seconds has to be Yash, and the HOD who will disappear anytime has to be Garvit.
If you could swap one of your departments with another VCP for 24 hours, would you do it?
I'm never swapping any departments.
What is one excuse your HODs always use?
मैं बीमार हूँ दीदी.
Who gives you the most unnecessary updates?
I think it has to be the workshop's head, Paridhi Somani.
What's the most frequent question you get from your HODs during peak planning?
दीदी मैं घर पे जाके खाना खा के आ सकता हूँ आ सकती हूँ दीदी मैं सो के आ सकती हूँ.
Describe your team of HODs in one word.
Family.
That's it. Thank you for your time. Hi. So today we have with us the Vice Chairperson of Umang for Vertical 2, Vansh Masalia. Looking at Vertical 2 right now, with 20 days to go, what's the big vision you're executing with your 5 HODs?
So with 20 days to go, I'd say ki have fun. Most important thing is that, of course, work on your events, get judges. But if you are not having fun, then what's the point?
All right. Now let's have a quick rapid fire round. 20 days left. Excited or stressed?
Excited for now.
Which department do you think is going to surprise everyone this year?
Gaming and sport.
What is your favorite spot in the headquarters?
And the HQ, the favorite spot. It would be right behind the tables where you can't see, the members can't see, but it would be there because we had beanbags. So yeah.
Which department head calls you the most?
वैभवी for sure. रात को 12 बजे हो, सुबह 9 बजे हो, I get a call every time.
Which head is most likely to say हो जाएगा and then panic later?
जनक, वो he wouldn't panic, वो हो जाएगा बोलेगा, but he would be like कि नहीं हुआ अभी. He wouldn't panic, but वो ये कर सकता है.
What's the one line your HOD says way too often, like all your HODs?
They say they got this from me, I got it from Kishan. वो बोलता है कि लॉस हो गया, वंश लॉस हो गया, when कुछ हो जाता है कि heavy loss.
If you could swap one of your departments with another VCP, would you do it?
I wouldn't swap a department, I would add hospitality to V2 so that for one day I would get every single member coming to me कि यहाँ पे IP जाना है, यहाँ पे IP जाना है.
All right. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
Hello everyone. With just 20 days left for Umang 2026, we are here with our VCP3, Hiren Khushlani, and we would like to ask him a few questions. So let's get started. Which department do you think that challenges the most?
Finance for sure.
Who is most likely to call at 2 a.m. and say scene ho gaya?
Definitely Vivan.
Which head is the most likely to laugh during a serious situation?
Ritviz.
If you had to describe your 5 heads in one word each, what would it be? Like Ritviz, sir.
Blunt and straightforward.
Prayati,
Diligent and precise.
Bhavya,
Reliable, gets the job done.
Himanshi,
Visionary and creative.
Vivan.
Dedication and passion.
If you get a chance to swap one department from another vertical, what would it be?
Technicals.
Who is your favorite person in Umang and why is it Vansh? What's one thing you are most excited to see on Umang on days?
Jam, just a minute.
Who is most likely to say 5 minutes में हो जाएगा and take an hour?
Bhavya for sure.
If you could mute one head from group chat, which one?
Vivan, he talks a lot.
Describe vertical 3 in one word.
Backstage bosses.
Thank you. And finally, last questions with just 20 days to go. What's one message you would like to give your entire vertical?
Work hard, take care of your members, heads take care of your members, members take care of your heads, and make sure they are eating right. बहुत सारे दिन ऐसे होते हैं where we forget to eat. Make sure you take care of your members, make sure you take care of your heads. VCPs take care of your heads, and Kishan is there to take care of us all.
Thank you.
We have our VCP4 with us, Manch Hadwa. Let's see what he has to say as we put him through a quick rapid fire. So we're officially just 20 days away from Umang 2026. As the VCP handling 5 major departments, what's one suggestion or piece of advice you would like to give your vertical?
As it's just 20 days left, I think we need to work more hard because there'll be more pressure once the fest comes more nearby. So yeah, that's it.
Which one department is keeping you the busiest right now?
Marketing for sure.
What's your most used sentence during Umang preparations?
Fat kar bhai.
Which department gives you the most unnecessary calls?
Unnecessary calls. No, I would not try.
What's one lie you hear from your HODs all the time?
मैं 11 बजे आ गया था.
Favorite role so far? Assistant, member, HOD or VCP?
So far, VCP.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how ready is Umang right now?
5.
If you got a chance to swap one department with another vertical, which department would you choose?
All of the departments I have are very sweet and very good, so I like to keep everyone.
Thank you so much for your valuable time.